Ramfiran Gupta, a resident of Betahani, a riverside settlement in Baki's Rapti floodplain, says his village has never been spared from floods during the monsoon. He also adds that they have never escaped outbreaks of diarrhea and cholera. Most people live in huts, and frequent flooding brings infectious diseases that often go untreated in time, endangering lives, according to locals.
जब बाढ़ बरखा होता है, पानी लागत है, तो उमा एकदम हैया जैसे झाड़ा पखाला लग जाते है आदमी का, और जोरों बुखार यही सब लग जाते है.
Flooding from the Duduwa, Gandhaili and Sutaya streams, along with the Rapti river, submerges most of Duduwa rural municipality. Especially in the eastern village of Chofaira, surrounded by rivers on three sides, residents struggle even to survive during disasters. Even if they manage to stay safe, the lack of clean drinking water during floods causes widespread illness. They are also unable to travel to market areas for treatment. For such affected populations, Duduwa rural municipality has announced plans to operate a 5-bed hospital in Betahani within the flood-prone area even before the monsoon arrives.
Betahani ma हामीले लगभग 5 बेडको हस्पिटल भने छौं अनि 5 बेडको हस्पिटल लगभग सबै त्यसमा पूर्वाधारहरू लगभग तयार भइसकेको अवस्था छ.
One of the 2 floors of the hospital building has already been completed. Equipment for a diagnostic laboratory is being installed rapidly. The medicine procurement process is in its final phase and an X-ray machine has also been set up. Wards for admitting patients have been completed and the recruitment of medical personnel has already begun.
Pharmacist र केही मेडिकल अफिसरहरुको अभाव छ. त्यो छिट्टै नै हामी यो आर्थिक वर्ष भित्रै चाहिँ माग गरेर सूचना जारी गरेर र औषधिहरुको पनि टेन्डर गरेर अनि बीमासँग आबद्ध गर्ने औषधि फार्मेसीलाई अनि एमओबाट चाहिँ सञ्चालन गर्ने लक्ष्य लिएका छौं.
This community-based basic hospital is being built at a cost of around 30 million rupees. It will be operated under the leadership of a medical officer and will offer free treatment to senior citizens.
यदि सञ्चालनमा आयो भने यहाँका जनताहरुले चाहिँ निकै पनि पक्कै पनि चाहिँ तपाईको चाहिँ तुलनात्मक रूपमा पहिला भन्दा चाहिँ राम्रो सुविधा पाउँछन्.
During the flood emergencies, women in labor often cannot travel to Nepalganj for delivery. Health workers are therefore demanding that the hospital provide maternity care services to protect the lives of mothers and newborns.
जटिलता भएको बेला नमानेको अवस्थामा पनि अब बिरामी सँगसँगै हामी नै जानु पर्ने हुन्छ, गएर भेरीमा भर्ना सर्न गरेर आउनु पर्ने अवस्था छ. अब यहाँ भएको भए धेरै बेस्ट.
दक्ष जनशक्ति चाहियो, त्यति नै हो.
Located near the Indian border, this hospital in Duduwa rural municipality's riverside region is expected to reduce the need for residents of flood-affected areas to cross the border in search of treatment. A report by J. Pandey for Kantipur News from Betahani, Rapti River area.